status bill, a ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and I'm back with another fire banger. In today's video, I finally got cleared to drive. I am so happy, bro. It's been a little bit close to a month that I haven't drove my car, and it hasn't been started since I've had my surgery and all that. Still in the crutches, still in the boot, but I'm getting better. Thank y'all for all the comments, the DMs I'm getting. The love is unreal. I appreciate y'all so much. So in today's video, it's gonna be just a little vlog, just going around, chilling, talking. I got some big stuff coming for the car. Like, I ain't even finna tell y'all, but I got something very, very big for the car coming. But like I said, this is gonna be the first time my car has been started in almost a month, and it's gonna be loud. Like, it's gonna be loud. I wouldn't be surprised, like, if I don't know. I'm just in shock right now, but hopefully when I start the car, it doesn't go. Enough of me talking. Let's start the car. This is gonna be crazy. Y'all already know, it's not that video without that start. Definitely gonna pop the hood. Got the stars is back. My boy Buckethead is back. We are back. I'm gonna pop the hood just to make sure everything's good under there. So let's see how it is. Let's pop the hood. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks good. Probably gonna grab some coolant later on today or tomorrow, but I'll be good for right now. Gosh, it feels good to see this car running, bro. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna pick up the camera again once I'm able to do some pulls out there in Mexico. So catch y'all next clip. Alright, this will be the first drive in a long time, bro. God, I have not drove this car in a month. So I did get medically cleared to drive now. So the reason why I couldn't drive was because when you are fresh out of surgery and stuff like that, they put you on the medications, and some of the medications may be considered as narcotics, and I was under a bunch of different medications and stuff like that. But now I'm no longer taking the medication. I'm just going day by day. But dog, it feels so good to drive. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to burp. That's what I've been waiting on. Like, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, it just feels so good. Like, but like, if you look, like, I left my car with like half a tank, so I'm gonna have to burn all that up and get a fresh tank of gas. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I can't contain myself. I gotta burn. I gotta down. It might not burn on the first couple tries, but we gonna see. Oh my god, I miss it so much. I miss it. Yes, sir. I'm back. I am back. Wait till I got to Mexico and I do a pull. I swear I'm finna go stupid. I swear I'm finna go stupid. It feels so good to drive again. Oh my. God! I've been waiting for this for so long, bro. Like, now I gotta get a little pull in real quick. Do a little 40 roll. Still there. That shows y'all the underground tune is reliable. I haven't so slow. Like, oh my gosh. Like, bro right here driving wild slow, bro. I gotta pass this guy, bro. I gotta pass this guy. I've gotta pass this guy. I gotta pass this guy. Driving slow as hell, boy. Fuck you talking about? Gotta push this motherfucker, bro. I have not been able to do a pull in so long. That was a 90-something out here in Mexico. Trying to get another little pull in. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see what I can get to real quick. Driving slow as hell. Out of there. Out of there. That shit low as hell. Look at that. Out of there. Had to get low. Are you good? Had to cut up one time because they were driving low. That Challenger looked weird as hell. But we about to go to the gas station because I'm on a little less than a quarter, so get this last little pull in real quick. Get a little 30 roll in. That little 30. Woo! That been going. Yes, sir! Moving. Oh my gosh. I have not been able to do a pull in a month. In a month. Jesus have mercy. Alright, got those pulls in. All this traffic, man. It feels like, I don't know if y'all ever not drove your car for a certain amount of time. I was so like down, bro. But I'm back. I'm back. The sex daddy is back, bro. I'm so excited. Alright, about to go to the gas station. Oh my god. Look, you see, look. We're going to look. Everybody looking now. I'm back outside, boy. What y'all talking about? That scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. And look at that purple wide body. Oh my god. Everything is outside today. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Downshift's going stupid. The Louisiana State Fire Marshal. He doesn't look too happy. Fuck him. Oh yeah. Look, show him the car. Fire Marshal. Oh boy, let's see what he say. Alright, y'all, made it to the gas station. I'm trying to stand up like I could walk regular and shit. Let's see how much gas my car would take. This would be the most annoying shit every time I go to the gas station. This should be pissing me off.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Alright, so now let's see if this shit wants to work and take my money. Alright, bet. This is how much premium is over here by me, bro. Gotta make sure none of that gets in the tank. So over here. This is to fill my tank. So let's see how much it is. I'm gonna have no money, bro. I'll be broke. I need y'all to watch the ads when I post.
You're broke!
Shit, got to $54. I'm gonna try to get to 55. Let's see. Let's see, get to 55. 55 even, 55 even. Perfect. 55 even to fill my tank right now. That's not too bad. But let's get in the car. Look at her, y'all. Just dead in the car. I think Granny liked the car, y'all. Look at that range though. Oh shit, hold on. Look at that range though. Let's see how much miles per gallon. Damn! 19 mpg. That ain't too bad, but sheesh, man. Let's see. But like I said, this is just gonna be a little vlog. Take y'all around with me. So we gonna head out to my next destination, which is to go pick up a few things, but probably gonna cut up over here in Mexico on the way there. So let's see. Bow. And of course, the one day I want to drive, it's mad traffic. Now look, watch. It's mad traffic, bro. Oh my gosh. In this small ass town, what is all this traffic needed for? I'm definitely gonna squeeze in somewhere for sure. I gotta get up there. Jeez, like all this traffic. Cool little second gen. I'll definitely get a second gen though, that's for sure. But look at all this traffic. Like, what is going on? I'm definitely getting up here for sure. I'm finna get in here somehow, some way. Let's see. I'm finna get in this jam real quick. Hold on, I'm finna get right here. If this truck would move up, oh my gosh. Y'all know that I ain't getting behind this big ass shit. Look at all that like them rock chips and wood chips they got in there. Like, I'm gonna get in here somewhere. My turn coming up on the right. Oh yeah, nah, I'm definitely getting in here for sure. Yeah, I'm definitely. Oh yeah, right here. Ooh, nah, I can't. Damn. Oh yeah, I told you I'm gonna fit somewhere. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta get in here somehow, some way. Damn, I gotta get in here somehow, some way. Come on. Somebody let me through. Somebody let me through. Car's twin behind me? No way. Record that. That's my car's twin, y'all. Look. Got a little Mystikiana back there. That's crazy. I swear, like in every video, like I said, look at who is in front of us. Mexico PD, bro, I swear. They be everywhere but fighting crime. Like, what do y'all be doing? I respect the law enforcement, I respect everybody, but they be outside all the time. All day, every day, bro. Crazy. Leave in the comments down below how y'all feel about these squatted trucks. Like, they're not too bad, but I know some people. Oh, that's a fucking C7.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
My bad, I got sidetracked. That is like one of my dream cars, bro. I swear, the C7 Z06. Oh my god!
Back the fuck up! I'll knock the fuck out you.
See, they got them wide bodies over there, boy. Somebody finna take them strikers. But now I definitely will come wide body, but I just can't see myself buying another Dodge. I get me a truck though, but like they see the wide body over there, wide body scat, got the RTs over there. But I fuck with the Challies though, no cap. The Challies be tough. I ain't even finna lie to you. Like, this is like one of my favorite spots of Purple. Like, just listen to this shit. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It sound crazy as hell, boy. Sound crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. That shit sound wild. Hold on, one more time for the one time. to drive again, like, I'm gonna calm down. It feels so good to drive again, bro. Like, y'all don't understand the feeling. I'm so happy. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get to the house, because I'm about to do a few things, and I got a very big announcement that's coming up for all my supporters. All right, y'all, so that'll be it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. So I do have some big news. Like I said, we are on the road to 2,000 subs, and I made the decision at 2,000. When I hit 2,000 subs, I'll be doing a giveaway. So leave in the comments down below what y'all want to have me give away. I've already did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you follow that. I'll put it right here. But make sure you go follow my Instagram, because I'm gonna be posting about the giveaway on there. But I don't know what I want to do yet. I've saw some stuff. Some people said a GoPro, the Starlight, the same Starlight kit that I have, a roll of the forged carbon wrap, like how I have my hood. So I have considered all of those. Make sure you leave a comment down below what y'all want me to give away. And as soon as I hit 2,000 subs, I'll be getting ready to do the giveaway. So tap in with that. It's your boy 36J. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm back. I'm gonna start posting way more. I'm gonna try to post like 3 videos a week, give or take. Let's consider that at the same time. I'm still am in this boot. But like I said, it's your boy 36J, and I'm out. Bow.